The Constitution of Kenya turns 5 on the 27th of this month. Its implementation structure required Parliament to pass all the enabling legislation within 60 months to make all clauses in the 18th chapter Constitution workable for the benefit of all Kenyans. But in the run-up to the 5th anniversary of the promulgation of the Constitution, it's a race against time for members of the August House, with the August 27th deadline looming. Parliament has not passed 28 pieces of legislation and must do so within 21 days. And this is clearly mission impossible for the 11th Parliament that has 8 sitting days to the deadline.
It's now Parliament's turn to keep. I mean, the rest of us have done our part. So they must engage with those social and political dynamics and come up with a law within the time frame, even if we are talking about an extended time frame.
Among the pending bills are several touching on the emotive land issue. They include the Community Land Bill, the Physical Planning Bill, Historical Land Injustices Bill, and Eviction and Resettlement Bill of 2015. Parliament is also yet to enact a law that will provide the ceilings on minimum and maximum amount of land one can own in the country. Delay in passing these proposed laws, pointing to the sensitive topic that land is.
I think Parliament has the responsibility of taking on those difficult social and political issues and ensuring that we have a legal framework which complies with the letter and spirit of the Constitution, however difficult it may be.
7 bills that were meant to fully implement the chapter on judiciary and delivery of justice are in the list of pending pieces of legislation. They include the Access to Justice Bill, the Judiciary Fund Bill, and 2 bills on the organization and administration of the High Court and Court of Appeal. Parliament is also racing against time to pass a bill on the 2/3 gender rule and a legislation on the restructuring of the provincial administration. Should Parliament fail to enact the 28 pieces of legislation within 21 days, any Kenyan citizen can move to court to push for the dissolution of the August House. The Constitution, however, gives the lawmakers an avenue to avert a crisis by extending the period of passing the pending laws. However, such an extension must be supported by at least 233 members of the National Assembly.
It is my expectation that for some of them, I don't know how many, and I don't know which ones, Parliament may seek to extend the period beyond the 27th of August. But from where I sit, that is perfectly in order because it is contemplated in the Constitution. Plus, I think laws are passed for posterity.
The term of the Constitution Implementation Commission CIC expires at the end of December this year. Francis Gashuri, Citizen Live at 9.